Tell me a story.
What story would you like?
Something that moves you.
Is it true you know everything about a person by touching them here?
Not everything.
You touched me here. What did you see?
I saw a landscape.
Saw a landscape?
Spaces. Caves. Tunnels and oceans. Undiscovered countries.
Will you be brave?
Yes.
Will you be brave?
Deep, dark, black void.
I'll be brave.
What do you see?
What do you see?
You will